Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to another video on Wull on the channel. Wanna know the vibes and the drill? Me I go ask each and everyone to subscribe before watching the video. So no worry, cause we are going to talk about what the description say. Alright guys, so me could kick it off like this. Ivany has been released from prison. You see me, I think the other day. You see me, and enough people you see a reef send picture of her, if you know how she look or whatever, you know. But she make a post and say, I'll take a pic before I tone my complexion. So basically she dark right now at the moment. You don't know that, bro. She just a gate sometimes said, you see me, when I rang her. After all of that, she got through, you see me, which is right. You see me. So other from that, guys, that's just a quick update. Busy signal, baby mother, or something like so. You see me. I just spice Punny video and I talk about how it look and one bag of thing. But I don't know how she get involved, because Spice done did address the situation, guys, if you ask me. And I don't like see people want to tear down the money it about check this. She said my ear says Spice pum pum ugly bad, and also continues to say anybody see a need lie, I know that not funny. Next thing she said, be people inbox me about Spice and not they come BLCT beat me now. You see me? So me then me I think to myself like everybody know what happened and Spice done address the situation and thing, you see me? So they and we like okay, must be piece of cloth tear or see. So in baby mother X whatever name, I am Shantali Chin on the gram when you can go check her out and see her behavior for yourself. Right viewers, so who know Wull on they know say each video at the end there's a live. So if you not enjoy the video, you must enjoy the live. And Footahype talk about the Wull protocols and everything.
About 2 weeks ago, I said to the people, I say, if you are going to lock down the country for 3 days, open it for 4 days, and lock it down back for 3 days, how? What are the bases? Which scientific evidence you have? What you have as proof is say them 3 days the way you lock down the country, the big C is more critical than the 4 days where you go open. Because the day them they're right beside one another. So it not safe if you go outside Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. But it's safe if you go out there Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Then you lock down back Sunday. Oh, what kind of tape measure you have where you measure the days them? Me want to know what kind of telescope or stethoscope or thermometer what you use. We don't know what you use. What do you use to analyze what days to lock down and what days to open? Me nah say you know fi lock down the place, you know, for protective efforts, you know, and for protect the people, you know. But explain to me the logic of the lockdown. How what you say makes sense. Me really, cause me search and me look and me cannot find the reason why you got the day them they beside one another. Me no understand. Sorry. The day them decide one another, you know. One day run into the next day, you know. So you know which alright. Which day COVID I don't want to say it, cause I don't want them block my video. Which day the big C more aggressive and which day it more subtle? Because obviously you must have locked down the country on the day them when it most aggressive. So my question is, how do you choose the days that the big C is more aggressive? That are my question. And that me that really like no. When you you choose, you and the MOH, Mr. Christopher Tufton and all the other people them, where take the people them for idiot. What other measures of knowing the danger days from the weaker days, which they are more dangerous, so we have to lock it down, and which they are more calm. Cause me never know say the big C I call people and I tell people when it a go more rampant from when it a go more calm. And that would I like no. Cause if one this disease is communicating so well, you supposed to can tell with then when it a go leave. You understand? You supposed to can tell with then what the real problem, because the vaccine, oh my, I shouldn't have said that. Because the big V cannot help to deter the disease. Now them say them they are one thing now named Delta variant. Now people I don't think gonna understand it. The V cannot stop the D. The V will not cannot do nothing at all to the Delta. If you don't understand. The V will not take for so-called Big C has no effect on the Big D. Whenever I hear me say, when it is made for the Big C, see, it cannot have any effect on the D. So, if you go take the joke for the Big C, them I go tell you now say, you have to get something else for the Big D. And you know how much variants there are? Them have over 300 odd variants, you know. So, you have Delta, you have American Airlines, you have Southwest, you have to have Fly Jamaica, you have to have Cayman variant, you have to have Alcaca, and a Delta alone. So my thing is to these people who feel so special, if you go get the big V, Zine, and say, yes, I'm fully V, I'm fully V. What I go do when I'm telling about the Delta and the Southwest and the Norwegian and the JetBlue and the all different kind of something? What I go do? Because I want more lead to the next, you know. This has nothing to do with the Big C, you know. The V not have nothing to do with the C, you know. Only need to start pay attention, you know. There's a 98.6% recovery rate from the C. So it better you not take the experimental drug there, the nano drug there, where them give, because it's not a V. Them going to tell you say a V. But if you listen to the experts and do your research, it cannot be classified as a V. You understand? It is not a V. So when you hear them, I call it V. Alright, first thing on the people are around. See the news, yeah. Well, we're looking to implement that you have to take the V to go back to school. Them never say it is implemented, you know. Prince Diamond, big up yourself, you buy badges. Them never say it implemented, you know, but you see two people in a fear, them not listen. Them say we are looking to do that. That means them a plan. So them a show the fear factor out there now. because you have school, you run go take the joke. Run go take the joke out of fear. Carry your picnic go take the joke out of fear. While if you just sit back, relax and oppose and object and make the objecting numbers nothing than the promoting numbers. Because they cannot force you. It's against the law to force you to do this thing. But them use word play upon you. We are looking to hear that, you know. Mandate this for schools. Only hear mandate this for school. That's all in the ear. Uno listen to the words then before and after. That's why so much on run go suicide on yourself. Out of fear. Stop. Listen to the danger words them alone. Listen what is said before and after the word mandatory and the word V, the V word. Listen what is said before and after. Cause them a drive fear uno and then uno willingly make them mission come true cause you run go take this thing here. First thing we want people to understand. Because none of these V's were approved by the real approval agencies. Them keep changing them. Them keep adding things to them, kind of regulation that depend them. The ingredients, them are put, Queen Bella, big up yourself. The ingredients, them are put in the change. A 7 ban ingredients, them have in them now. You know. That's why them so wicked and I kill people now. You know. And I kill people even wickeder, you know. Because nobody never approved them. So them never under a regulatory observation. You notice that all of the V them, when you see them in the back of them look like water. And 1 million ingredients in there, all metal in it. And you can't see it. So oh no. You are gonna make your prime minister or your president or your minister of health tell you say them take the vax. When me I say that, man, you them take the V. When them I show you one buckle with clear something looking like water, it's called a camouflage. Now, when them tell us, okay, we have 7 ingredients in there, how do you or your prime minister or your president or your minister of health knows that there's only that amount of ingredient in there? How?